Chef Tim Souza here from Poor Judgment Bar and Grill, Newport, Rhode Island. I've been a local chef for over 10 years, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple preparation of orzo and baby scallops. So let's dive right in. Let's start with the orzo salad. So we're going to take the orzo and cook it just like you would any other pasta, 6 to 8 minutes in boiling salted water. And that's our orzo right here. That's all we've done. Then we're going to saute some spinach and grape tomatoes right in a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. And then we're going to fold in our cooked orzo right into that. And that's going to be our orzo salad. After that, we're going to saute our baby scallops. Now we have baby scallops right here. We're going to season those with a little bit of salt and pepper. And in a nice hot skillet, we're going to sear those about 2 to 3 minutes, and they'll be ready to eat. They don't take long to cook because they're so small. And you want to keep them right at the proper cooking temperature so you don't overcook them and they'll be rubbery and chewy. And to top it off, we're going to add a little sliced basil on top of the dish, just for that extra flavor and a little bit of color. So what I have here is our orzo salad, already assembled and ready to go. You can see the spinach, the tomatoes, and the orzo right in there. And I have our baby scallops all seared off, ready to go on top of this. Makes for a lovely summer afternoon treat. So to assemble this dish, I'm going to place a small bed of the orzo salad in the bottom of a bowl. You can go on a plate if you'd like. I like to eat my orzo salad out of a bowl so you can scoop up all the goodness. And then we're going to go ahead and put the sauteed scallops right over the top of that. Now the thing about bay scallops is they're definitely sweeter than a sea scallop, so they have a little bit of a different flavor profile. So depending on your application, this is a great application to use the bay scallop, nice and sweet. And just a touch of fresh basil right on top. And there you have orzo with baby scallops.